Nature is our resource. As is oil is our resource, this nature is our resource. Thus we must protect it. Everyone must protect that.
There were people who were burning materials. The air was really polluted there. I hardly could breathe in there. And I saw all the bad stuff that's going on in our city, Slemania. Though I know it's really bad, the pollution.
Some of these problems. And I see, especially today with these students, I see a real desire to want to do that, a real desire to make a contribution of this kind. Enormous. I mean, the problems that exist in Iraq in terms of the environment are so extensive, and yet it's not getting as much attention. We talk about the bombs, the violence all the time, but in actual fact, probably more people are dying in this country from environmental pollution than from all of the violence that's taken place in this country. But they die quietly in their homes or in hospitals. People don't put one and one together to see that this is a direct connection to the way that the environment has been harmed here. So these students are the people who are going to solve that problem. They're going to bring these issues to the forefront where they have always needed to be.
It's a really good cause because it really makes people try to help with their own country. People, I guess, don't care.